I'm Michael from Preferred Properties. We're outdoor living and landscape specialists. I'm here to show you a unique, phenomenally landscaped yard by Preferred Properties. We're a design build landscape firm, and what we did here is come up with an idea and a concept that allowed the homeowner to implement the landscape plan in phases, including all the masonry and the lighting. We were fortunate enough that she gave us the green light to go ahead with the entire landscape project. So I'm here to show you some of the attributes of a new construction in a design setting that would allow the homeowner of this country colonial magnificent home to be highlighted throughout the seasons. With night lighting installed as well, there's 4 seasons of landscape, both day and night. Some of the unique specimen plants are Bradford pears, which are flowering white. You have some of the purple gems, weeping hemlocks in this major island. There's a big landscape boulder in there, flanked by a dragonized pine. It's a Japanese snowbell. Give you white teardrop flowers in June. Then what we did is design the landscape entryway to coincide with the porch to give you a great vista from the drive up. And the orientation of the house works well with the way the walls worked. And the design of the walls were to give depth into the landscape instead of just installing a walkway. So it kind of gives you a courtyard effect and some magnificent clump river birches that are just happy. They're doing well here. Illuminated at night, the landscaping is quite phenomenal. The homeowner loves it. What we did is we create maintenance-free effect with the beauty of 4 seasons of full color, which is a challenging task, but with the right plant selection, where a plant does well and where a plant does best are 2 major things. When you're designing a landscape, whether you're going to install it yourself or use a firm such as Preferred Properties, what you want to do is to make sure that you have a professional plan and the plant material is chosen for the select environment, whether it's deer resistant, sun or shade tolerant. These are some of the considerations. This is a Japanese Acer Veritas, which is a green lace leaf maple. Very cool and unique specimen plant. And the homeowners have the house adorned very well. So I'm going to come up on the porch to give you a point of view in which they're looking at from the porch as guests, and their point of view and their vista is just as important in design as curbside appeal. When Preferred Properties does a landscape design construction, what they do is they'll actually dry set the plant materials subject to homeowner approval prior to installation. So once the landscape drawing is construed, you're invited to come down to the garden center. You can come down anytime with your plant legend and list, kind of look at some of the unique plant materials involved, and then what we would do is bring them on site and dry set them to show you. We wouldn't expect that you would visually understand and be able to comprehend the vision of this landscape design. So what we do is work hand in hand with the homeowner to show them exactly what the landscape would look like prior to installation. And that's exactly what we're doing here in the back. What we're doing is there's a brand new pool. So we're on phase 2 of the landscape. We're looking for privacy, seasonality, color, and landscape enjoyment throughout the season, but a supportive landscape that will work even when the pool is closed. So as I come back here, I kind of show you the caliper of some of these trees that are going to go in to give privacy, to give reflective quality at night, to give an alcove effect. We got topsoil and boulders and riverjack stone and grasses coming in, but it's going to be a complementary landscape to the one that's already evolved in the front. So I'm here from Preferred Properties to show you a professionally landscaped yard. If you have any interest in landscape design and construction and you'd like to talk to a professional, you can email us at mulchmadness@aol.com. You can go on to outdoorlivingct.com You can look at our lighting at nightlightingdesigner.com. We'd love to speak with you. Shoot us an email if you have any questions. Again, this is Michael from Preferred Properties. We're outdoor living and landscape specialists.